Let's go old school today on this rack of spare ribs and use ingredients that you probably got laying around the house. And honestly, the flavors here is what I think about when I think traditional barbecue. You know, back before the judges and the trophies made us complicate everything. Well, here's what we got. We're not going to do anything to these except pull the membrane. And people's got videos out, they use spoons and knives and everything to get out of the membrane. Just man up, use a paper towel in your fingers. And let's get the seasoning. We'll get that fly out of here. And we're going, like I said, simple. We're going to get some salt. Put as much as you want or as little as you want, because the flavor I'm going to add during the cook is going to make these ribs shine. Not really shine. Yeah, they might be shiny. Anyways, then we're going to add some pepper. Now I do use a pepper medley. It's got your green, your pink, all your different peppercorns. Use black pepper if you want. That's just me. Flip her over, repeat the process. And that's salt, and that's pepper. That's it. But you can still buy MOJO rub, TennesseeMojoBarbecue.com. Alright, that was a plug. There comes the flavor. And this mop here, you can mop your meat with it. You can eat it on a sandwich. It's just good. 2 cups apple cider vinegar. What was that, a third cup of ketchup? 1/4 cup of brown sugar, or I'm using panela from my buddies down in Ecuador. Salt, red pepper flakes, and lime. I don't know if my grandpas or great grandpas or whoever started barbecue used lime, but lime goes good. Give her a shake. There you have it. And oh yeah, we got to fire up your favorite smoker. Use some Austin charcoal. Then go out back, chop you down a hickory tree, get you some wood for some smoked flavor. Now let's get these ribs on. Here, we gotta get her open first. And there's your ribs. Salt and pepper. You thought I'd come in there and throw something else on it, but I didn't. Let's throw them on. Let's run this cook. I like cooking ribs at 300. 275, 300, I seem to get better texture. We're going to let it run for an hour. Well, here we are at an hour. And here's my tip for today. I always say I cook by color, because people say you need to wrap at 175. Look here. Ribs are at 175 in the first hour. You'll want to wrap these, or ugly, which we're not going to wrap today anyway. So, get you a mop. If you don't have a mop, get you some butcher twine and a stick and make your own. That's what MOJO does. And we're just going to give her a good baste. And we're going to do the baste every 30 minutes after the first hour. Once you get her soused down, let's close the lid, poke around for 30 minutes, and here's what you got. Now, we're getting color. We're looking good. But we got to give her backside a little attention, because it don't look good at all. So, the second 30 minutes, we're going to baste the backside. Hurry up there, feller. You're making me run out of words to say. Once she's basted, let's shut her down. Wait 30 minutes, so that'll put us at the 2-hour mark, I believe. And wait, hey, good enough to eat. Let's flip them over. Be careful not to scuff up your pretty ribs like I did. Just throw it back over there. Like I said, this cook ain't gonna be pretty. You just wait to the end. Yeah, okay. Give her a good baste, and we're gonna do that every 30 minutes. I think I already said that. Until the ribs are done. And this is what they should look like right here. Now, I think they look good. And I bet they taste good. We don't know. Anyway, I had a straggler. It was just a tip. Don't worry about it. But my grandpa didn't have a thermopen, so this is how you check it. You pick it up, give it the bend test. When it starts splitting, those ribs are ready. Now, if I'm a betting man, I took these off probably close to the boiling point of water, because I didn't let them rest, and my fingertips is what that's telling me. Now, to make them prettier, flip them over. I always think I can flip them. Cut them like this, but I never can. Second cut, hit a bone. Ruin the whole thing. So these are hot, so I'm just going to skip this part because I just mutilate them. And here you have it. The ribs, you ask about a smoke ring. Not only have I got a smoke ring, I just got a smoked rib. That baby went plumb through. And moisture's there, and the heat's there. So I'm just gonna pick her. Oh, do you notice that bone I threw turned white? That's a sign of good cooked rib. Anyway, the bark is delicious. You've got that vinegar, you've got the salt, you've got the pepper, you've got this little bit of sweet. Just what you're looking for. Now I'm gonna give you the bite test since we're a competition cook. Let's see what it looks like. Hey, I can give you the perfect bite, and also I can give you a fall off the bone rib all in one. And that's about it, man. I've took enough of your time. Reach over here and subscribe, yep, right here, and ring that little bell, just like this right here. And I'm gonna get a little personal right here, let you see my face. I'm out. I'm going back.